morning, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm on the Upper East Side in a newly purchased apartment, and I am doing existing condition floor plans, reflected ceiling plans, some interior elevations for the owner's interior designer. So this is their terrace and the view out the backyard. That is, I believe, 2nd Avenue down there. And as I swing around, this is the great room. As I swing around, the kitchen is obviously there. This apartment has the elevator enters right into the apartment. And then as we walk down, I'll show you, we have a bath there. We have a walk-in closet here. Large walk-in closet here. We have another bath here. We have bedroom number 2 here with the closet, and bedroom number 1, which is the master. It has a walk-through large closet with the master bath. So this is what I'm working on today. I figured I would show you around. If you're ever in need of existing addition drawings, whether it be in the city or upstate out on the island in Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you again for viewing my video, and have a great day.